Friday, December 2nd here. Watching for a potential setup here. We just got the 8 EMA cross here. Gonna be waiting for a pullback to take a short. Let everything settle down. Let the supports and resistance show up. And then hopefully take a trade to the short side. So I'll keep you guys updated if I take the trade or not. Hey guys, a quick update here. As you guys see, price came down to 91.25. Then we started getting a pullback, but as you can see, the 8 EMA held really strong resistance. Price came right back down and cracked that fractal, and we had a nice little push down here. I'm still watching to see if price can get to the 34 before I get an entry. This one looks like it has the potential to be a strong downtrend. So that's what I'm watching for. But I'll keep you updated if I get in the trade, if I take a trade. And hey guys, another update here. As you can see, price pulled back to the 34 EMA like it usually does. Pulled as high as 94.25. 94.50 is gonna be my stop. I took a trade in at 93.50. So what I want to do now is I want to show you real quick. I've never done a video and posted a trade on Instagram, so I'm gonna try to do it quick. That way, anybody who wants to take this trade can also jump in. A lot of times when I post these trades, sometimes price gets away from my entry, but sometimes price gets a pullback and you have the chance to actually get a better entrance than I have. Like, for example, if we go back up to 94, you guys can get in on a better entrance than I got. So, all right. Then I take a screenshot. 93.50 my entrance, 94.50 my stop. I just posted it on Instagram, so anybody that wants to take the trade with me can. Now we just sit and watch what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, another update here. Looks like price is continuing down. I like the way this is looking. I'm going to be posting an update on Instagram. Just wanted to show you guys how I do this for the Instagram page. So I took one off at 90.50, 3 points. Let's paint this guy green. I used this green over here. Then a text note, 1 point stop. Sold 2 at, it was actually bought 2, covered 2. I'll put covered 2 at 90.50. 1 to 3 risk reward equals 300 on those 2 contracts. And guys, this is like the importance of risk reward. 1 to 3 risk reward. I was risking with 4 contracts $400, and with just 2 contracts I made $300. Excuse me. So that just goes to show the importance of risk reward. So I just wanted to show you guys how I do this for Instagram. Put it here, then I move the green box over. And the red box over. Yeah, it's good enough. So now I take a screenshot and put it up. I'm gonna be editing this part out. I edited it the last time. I have personal information on my other email I use, so I don't want to show that on video. That's why I edited it last time, and I'll be editing this time. So I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with my last two contracts. Hey guys, another quick update here. As you guys can see, this fractal broke, so got a nice little push down here. I covered another one at 88.50, and my last contract I will be trailing it and see how much I can squeeze out of my last contract. I was responding to a message I got on Instagram. It's kind of hard to do a video and also post your trades on Instagram, especially the way I do it with editing, texting, drawing, and all these things, screenshotting, then emailing it to my phone, and then posting it on Instagram. So it takes a little while to get these updates. But yeah, I just wanted, for the sake of this video, update you guys. Take another one at 88.50. So let me draw that in correctly, and then I'll be trailing my last one, my last contract. Probably not gonna have enough room to draw it in at the moment, so I'll wait for a couple of candles to close so I can draw in my text. Covered 188.50 and all that. So yeah, I got keep you guys updated on what happens with my last contract. All right, hey guys, another quick update here. Price seems to be stalling out here at 88. We can break this, then I can see us pulling back down some more. I updated my second trade. I bought one, I guess covered. Takes too much space on this thing, so I put buy one, 88.50. Risk reward was 1 to 5 on one contract. That's 250. So I just posted this on Instagram. Updated the followers on Instagram. Got my last order to cover at 86.50. That's my last target. But also will be okay. We broke 88, so that's good. That's a good sign for continuation. And as you can see, we bounced right to the 8 EMA, and it looks like we couldn't get above the 8 EMA. So the downtrend is still in. Like I was saying earlier, I knew this was going to be a nice, strong trend down because we couldn't break the 8 EMA. We tried a couple of times here, couldn't do it, and then of course market has to take out the weak hands. That's why I always wait for a pullback. Took out a bunch of stops and then continue lower. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on what happens with my last contract, if I get my 86.50 or if I get stopped out. So I'll keep you guys posted. Hey guys, another update here. As you can see, sorry about that. Price pulled back to the 8 EMA. Was having a hard time breaking the 8 EMA. Finally, broke above, closed above. But this price here at 89.75 didn't break. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a stop here at 21.90. What I'm hoping for is for this candle to close back below, and then the next one break below. So just going to put in my orders now. I still have the 86.50 order. 86.50, that's my target, but if this looks like it wants to turn back around, I will be out at 21.90. This candle kind of closed below, like right below the 8 EMA. This is going to be a little choppy, I'm assuming, but if we can break this guy's low, 88.75, break down to 88.50, then I can see another leg down, but we will see. Don't want to make this video too long, so I'll just keep you guys updated on what happens. Hey guys, so like I was saying, this guy barely closed under the 8 EMA, So it was a close below, break below. Now you can see next leg is coming in. If we can break this 87.50, 86.50 should be almost a guaranteed. I mean, nothing's guaranteed, but this is what I've been waiting for. Hey guys, another update here. As you can see, I'm about to get stopped out at 21.90. Price closed above the 8 EMA and has been riding the 8 EMA up. I'm getting out at 21.90. I mean, it can literally go right here to the 34 and continue lower, but you know, once this breaks, I'm out. Those are my rules. I have to stick to my rules. Of course, in the future, you can say coulda, shoulda, woulda. For example, price got down to 87, just 2 ticks away from my target. Okay, I'm stopped out. So, like I was saying, I could have sold here at 87, but that's another coulda, shoulda, woulda. 2 ticks away from my target. I said I was going to be working on that, but this was a free ride pretty much on my last contract. I already locked in pretty good profits. I was gonna let my last contract work for me, just ride it out, see how much I can squeeze out of it. Also, there was a reason why 86.50 was a target for me. It's based on a Fibonacci extension. A lot of times you see my target get hit right to the tick and then reverse. Sometimes it gets close and then reverses. So it's not exact science. But I will be drawing in my last trade here for Instagram. Alright guys, so final update here. As you can see, I was stopped out at 21.90. 89.75 was the resistance that I was watching for to break in order to get out. All in all, great trade. 1 to 3 on my first, 1 to 5 on my second, and 1 to 3.5 on my last contract. These are the kind of trades that are going to keep you profitable. These are the kind of trades that are going to keep you able to continue to trade. A lot of times I hit my first target, and then on my last 2 contracts, I get stopped out, break even, or maybe 1 point in profit. But this is the reason why I do that. This is the reason why I put my stop break even, and I let the markets do what they're going to do. And in this case, on my 3rd contract, I got a 1 to 5. So, the risk management there was just excellent. 1 to 5, even 1 to 3 is a great, risk reward. If you have a strategy where your risk reward is 1 to 3, that strategy can be right only 30% of the time, and you'll still be profitable because your winners will outweigh your losers. So that's what I keep trying to stress on this channel. I keep trying to stress risk reward, most important aspect of trading, along with psychology, along with letting your winners ride, not getting greedy and moving your stop too close. That's all part of psychology, which is also another important aspect of trading. So up 725, stopped out 21.90 on my last contract. So yeah, not a bad day. Was in the trade since around 12:55. It is now 2:55, so a 2-hour trade. Sometimes it happens. It takes a while for the trade to go in your direction, hit your targets. It's part of trading also. Well, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend.